Hello friends, this is Sai Pranindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. In this short session, let's understand details about our self-paced video training on Power BI. What is Power BI first? It is a set of tools, business analytic tools, to design reports and perform data analysis. So Power BI dashboards are the main key items we are going to practice in our classes. It is actually a mechanism to carefully group multiple report items together for easy end user access. In our Power BI course, we'll be dealing with various data sources, PDF, Excel, MS Access, AVRO, Parquet, and so on, including SQL database and Azure, and understand how to derive trends of data, how to work with something called self-service BI, semantic models, lineage, metrics, insights, and so on. The kind of reports we are going to generate in our initial classes will be looking something like this. Come on, let's get started with the main course curriculum that we are actually waiting for. Before we step into the course curriculum, make sure we have SQL concepts with us. You are aware of SQL, you can happily step into Power BI. If not, I strongly request you to go for SQL first. Then step into Power BI next. One after the other, a safe side, useful, long-term beneficial learning. Starter profile, step 1 and 2 should be enough. However, for experienced profiles, go for either data engineering towards BI, business intelligence development and data engineer job roles, and or Python, data analyst, business analyst, data scientist job role. With this information, let's get into our actual subject area, that is the core concepts on what we are going to learn in our classes. No doubt, things are very much practical, step by step. At the same time, they are very useful and interesting. We'll start from the very basics of database. The module 1, SQL, is optional. If in case you are into module 1 SQL, here is our actual video wise notes. We'll start from the introduction. What is database and why? To slowly step into installations, SQL basics. We are going to hit a half century on SQL basics. 55 examples, third and fourth chapter together, including the tasks. Then comes Excel imports, schemas, RDBMS concepts, constraints, cascading keys, indexes and joins, views, procedure, functions and triggers. We are going to learn about the detailed architecture, group by concepts, transactions, data type, cursor, CTE, remote joins, self joins, temporary tables, group by with joins, merge rank, roll up activities with real time case studies. This MS SQL module is optional for you. You are aware of SQL, you will directly step into Power BI. Our main core concepts, Power BI activities, right from the introduction we are going to start to installations. Right from the basics we are going to step into installations, basic report design, something called visual interactions, edit interactions, grouping, binning, slicer, visual sync, hierarchies, drill down, filters, drill through actions, synopsis and scenarios. Either you opt for live training or self-paced videos. These are complete notes, including the handouts, FAQs and answers to be provided to you. You will download all these notes. Of course, the class video we cannot download, but all other things you'll be able to download for future reference. Not the class video though. Okay. Next, hope you understand my concern. Bookmarks, buttons, and source database concepts. Source database, big data access to Power BI, visualizations, and 50 examples on Power Query for ETL, and 50 examples on Power BI Cloud. Good number of concepts we are going to learn across various chapters. Gateways, dashboards, apps, report server, and paginated reports. 50 examples on DAX activities, data analysis expression for dynamic reporting and calculations. KPI reports, expressions, stars, snowflake schemas, time intelligence, cross-report drill through, circular dependency, and project work for our resume with complete FAQs and solutions for the project work. So here it is, to make it clear, this is a complete Power BI ecosystem. We are going to learn in our classes with non-database sources, database sources, and the concepts. All these items we need to learn in our classes with keywords checklist, and this is the actual screen we need to wait for. Set 1, set 2. Each module, this is MS SQL. I'll call it as module 1, which is completely optional. You are aware of the concepts. You are aware of all the actual concepts of SQL. Then you can directly step into Power BI. I'll just name it as module 2. If someone is very new to database, then please step into MS SQL first. 26 videos, minimum duration about 800 minutes. Majority items are practical, 95% practical. After that, submit your case studies, get my solutions, and then you'll proceed for module 2 Power BI. Entire module 2 Power BI again divided into two sets. Set 1 20 videos, set 2 20 videos, total 40. I need to bear in mind your resume, interview preparation, and certification guidance. I'll be available for your doubts and clarifications. It's my duty. And you can always reach me on this number. And in case, I think I have to just put this one. I forgot to mention the special character. Here it is. This is my number. Or in case for more details, you can even reach our team on this number, our SQL school team on this number. Just make sure once you start the course, make sure we practice on time throughout the course. I understand you're opting for self-paced videos, but let's feel them as virtual live classes. Access each video. Download the notes. Below every video you have the notes. You download it. If required, take a print copy of the detailed document. Follow the video carefully. Everything practical here. So trust me, you'll love it. You'll enjoy it. Provided we practice on time. Use me for your doubts and clarifications. Let's take our course seriously, cautiously. And any further questions or clarifications, please do reach me. We'll take it from there. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and see you soon. Hear from you soon for your doubts, clarifications. Thank you once again. And please be informed. Please be informed. Either our live training or video training, the content is same. You opt for video training for MS SQL module set 1, you can switch over to live training for set 2 or vice versa. You join for live training, say after the initial concepts, you have the option to switch over to other mode for the remaining classes set wise for our easier, comfortable learning process. So either live or self-paced videos, same content, same curriculum, same examples, same assignments and same care for our resume and project work. Any further questions, please do reach me. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.